What's your car worth? It's a great question to ask. First, let's back up a second. I want to explain what a total loss is. A total loss is simply when you get into an accident and it's going to cost more to repair the vehicle than the value of the vehicle. So let's say, for example, you're driving a $10,000 car. You get into an accident. The price to fix it is $12,000. That makes that car a total loss. Most insurance companies will total a car if that initial estimate is usually in the 75% value of the vehicle. So if the initial estimate in this case is $7,500 on a $10,000 car, the insurance company is going to total that car. In that scenario, what they're going to do is they're going to give you a check for $10,000. Maybe. But what you want to do is know the value of your vehicle. Here is a website that you can go to. It's KBB, Kelley Blue Book. There's also another website, you can see it below, is nadaguides.com. If your car's been totaled, go to these sites and educate yourself, because it's not uncommon for the insurance company to make you an offer below that $10,000 amount so they can save some money. And you don't do your homework and you take $9,000 or $8,500 and you're losing out on money. By the way, when your car's a total loss, the insurance company also needs to pay you for the taxes, because you're going to go buy another car, and the title transfer. So all good stuff to know in the event that your vehicle's totaled. Thanks and have a great summer.